Welcome to this first module on acrylic nail extensions. We're going to explore the foundations, techniques, and safety practices that every nail artist should know. This is your starting point for mastering salon best practices with acrylics, setting you up for success as you dive into this exciting craft. Let's take a look at what we'll cover in this module. We'll start with the history and evolution of acrylic nails, giving you context on how this art form developed. Then, we'll explore the nail industry and the career opportunities it offers. After that, we'll get into nail anatomy and physiology, which is crucial for safe and effective application. Lastly, we'll focus on maintaining nail health, because that's key to lasting results. Understanding where acrylic nails come from helps us appreciate how far the technology and artistry have come. The history is rich and shows the progression from simple adornments to sophisticated materials that allow us to create beautiful, durable nails today. Looking back, nail enhancements have evolved over thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used gold and ivory to signify status. Fast forward to the early 1900s, lacquers introduced quick-dry gloss. The 1950s brought acrylic systems using plastic polymers, revolutionizing sculpted nails. In the 1970s, gel nails offered smoother finishes as an alternative. More recently, hybrid systems blend acrylic and gel for better flexibility and appearance. This timeline shows steady innovation shaping our craft. Focusing on acrylic nails themselves, the 1970s marked the arrival of durable formulations that improved strength and longevity. The 1980s introduced professional salon techniques and sculpting tips, raising the artistry. Odorless acrylics emerged in the 1990s, enhancing safety. The 2000s saw UV protection coatings to preserve nails, and from the 2010s to today, we see advanced artistry combined with continued safety improvements. These milestones highlight how technology and technique advance hand in hand. Today, acrylic nail technology continues to innovate. Safer formulations reduce damage to natural nails without sacrificing durability. Materials are becoming lighter and more flexible, improving comfort and natural movement. Hybrid acrylic gel systems combine the best of both worlds, and 3D printing allows for precise, personalized designs. This means not only better wear, but also greater creative freedom for nail artists. Now, let's shift focus to the nail industry itself and the career paths it offers. This is a dynamic field with many opportunities, from hands-on artistry to management and education. Understanding the industry landscape helps us see where we can grow and specialize. The global nail care market is substantial, valued at around $10 billion, with a strong growth rate of 8 to 9% annually over the past decade. This growth reflects rising demand and expanding opportunities, making it an exciting time to build a career in nail care. Within this growing industry, there are diverse roles to consider. Technical specialists focus on advanced nail artistry, including intricate 3D designs and bridal sets, requiring certification and ongoing education. Management roles oversee salon operations and client experience, ensuring smooth business flow. Sales experts guide product selection, often emphasizing eco-friendly options. Educators and medical specialists deliver training and address health concerns, bridging the gap between beauty and wellness. Each path offers unique ways to contribute and thrive. Career progression in nail artistry often starts as an entry-level technician, building foundational skills and delivering consistent service. With experience, one can become a senior nail artist, mastering advanced techniques and cultivating a loyal clientele. Leadership roles like salon manager involve mentoring and business operations. Some choose to own salons, blending creativity with entrepreneurship. Finally, educators and trainers shape the next generation through teaching and workshops. This pathway shows how skills and passion can evolve into diverse opportunities. To work effectively with acrylic nails, understanding the natural nail's anatomy and physiology is essential. Knowing how the nail grows and functions helps us apply enhancements safely and maintain nail health, ensuring beautiful, lasting results. The natural nail consists of several key parts. The nail plate rests on the nail bed, surrounded by the cuticle, with the lunula visible at the base. The matrix beneath is where nail cells form and grow. Damage to the matrix can affect nail shape and strength. When applying acrylics, respecting these structures is crucial to avoid trauma and ensure secure adhesion, which supports durability and client comfort. Nails come in different types, each requiring tailored care. Normal nails have balanced moisture and strength, suitable for standard acrylics. Brittle nails need flexible acrylics and gentle handling to prevent cracking. Oily nails can resist adhesion, so thorough cleansing is necessary. Dry nails benefit from nourishing treatments before application. Recognizing these differences helps us customize care for the best outcomes. How the nail's anatomy influences acrylic application is quite nuanced. Thicker nails can handle stronger acrylic blends and heavier apexes to withstand daily stress. Thinner nails do better with medium to low monomer systems to avoid rigidity. Curvature matters too. Nails with pronounced arcs need tips that follow their shape to prevent bulkiness, while flatter nails require careful apex placement. Growth rate also plays a role. Fast-growing nails need lighter overlays to reduce lifting risk. The key is balance, matching product and technique to the natural nail for healthy, durable results. Maintaining nail health is fundamental. This involves regular care routines and mindful practices to keep nails strong and resilient. Healthy nails provide a better foundation for acrylics and reduce complications during application and wear. Best practices for healthy nails include daily moisturizing to prevent brittleness, filing gently with fine grit tools to avoid splits, and avoiding harsh chemicals that can damage the nail plate. It's also important to take breaks from enhancements to allow natural nails to recover. Supporting nail health from within by consuming vitamins A, B, and E further promotes growth and strength. Together, these habits create a solid base for beautiful nails. Preventing and identifying nail disorders is a critical part of nail care. Common issues like fungal infections, onycholysis, and nail psoriasis can arise if hygiene and technique aren't prioritized. Prevention means maintaining cleanliness, avoiding trauma, and removing acrylics properly. Early signs such as discoloration, thickening, or pitting should prompt timely intervention to avoid lasting damage, protecting both client health and salon reputation. Hygiene plays a vital role in nail salons. Proper sterilization of tools, use of disposable items, and regular disinfection of workspaces prevent infections. Staff training ensures everyone follows protocols, including personal protective equipment use. Adhering to health codes and conducting routine inspections maintain a safe environment for clients and technicians alike. This commitment to hygiene is foundational to professional and responsible nail care. To wrap up this module, mastering acrylic nails means building a strong foundation in history, industry knowledge, and nail anatomy. Exploring career pathways opens many doors, from artistry to management and education. Above all, prioritizing nail health and hygiene ensures safety and trust, which are essential for lasting success. With these elements combined, you're well on your way to a rewarding career in acrylic nail artistry. Welcome to Module 2 on acrylic nail extensions. Today, we'll explore the essential tools, products, and safety standards that are crucial for professional acrylic nail application. Understanding these elements deeply will help us deliver precise, beautiful results while maintaining the highest hygiene and safety practices. Let's dive in and get familiar with what makes acrylic nail services both effective and safe. Our agenda lays out the key areas we'll cover. First, the essential tools and equipment needed for acrylic nails. Next, the different types of powders, liquids, and brushes you'll encounter. Then, the proper sanitization and sterilization methods to keep everything safe. And finally, the health and safety protocols that protect both clients and technicians throughout the process. To start, let's focus on the essential tools and equipment that form the foundation of acrylic nail application. These tools not only help shape and build the nails, but also ensure precision and hygiene. Mastering their use is fundamental before moving on to products and safety measures. When we talk about standard tools, each has a specific role. Nail files and buffers shape and smooth the nails, creating the perfect contours. Brushes and monomer setups allow control over liquid consistency for smooth application. Cuticle pushers prepare the nail bed, promoting adhesion and a clean look. For length and structure, nail tips or forms are used, and choosing high-quality tools here can significantly enhance client satisfaction. Maintaining your equipment is just as important as using it correctly. Brushes should be cleaned immediately after use to prevent acrylic buildup and to keep their shape intact. Metal tools require disinfecting between clients to avoid cross-contamination. Regularly inspecting your tools for wear, like frayed bristles or dull edges, ensures safety and quality results. Remember, well-maintained tools protect both you and your clients. Selecting the right tools makes a real difference. Kolinsky sable brushes, for example, offer superior precision and control, which is essential for detailed work. Using files with a grit range of 180 to 240 provides optimal shaping without damaging nails. Professional-grade tools improve efficiency and reduce fatigue, helping you work better and longer. Ultimately, consistent use of quality tools builds client trust and loyalty through reliable results. Now, let's move into the different types of acrylic powders, liquids, and brushes. Each product type has unique properties and purposes, and understanding these will help you choose the right materials for every service you perform. Acrylic powders come in various types with distinct uses. Clear powder is ideal for overlays and encapsulation, providing strength without changing color. Pink powder enhances the nail bed tone for a natural look, often paired with white tips. White powder is perfect for classic French tips with a crisp finish. Glitter and effect powders add dimension and artistic flair. The formulation, including particle size and polymer blends, affects how these powders set and perform. Acrylic liquids are complex blends centered on ethyl methacrylate monomers, combined with inhibitors to prevent premature curing. These formulations impact drying time, flexibility, clarity, and safety. Choosing low-odor, hypoallergenic liquids with balanced adhesion is key. Slower-setting liquids offer more working time for detailed sculpting, while faster ones reduce service duration but require precision. Proper ventilation, glove use, and careful handling minimize allergenic risks and ensure safe application. Brushes vary widely in size, shape, and material, influencing application techniques. Smaller brushes allow for fine detail, while larger ones speed up coverage. Shapes like round, oval, or flat tips affect how the acrylic bead is placed and shaped. High-quality bristles maintain their form and improve control over thickness and smoothness, which is essential for professional finishes. Hygiene is paramount, so understanding sanitization and sterilization is critical. This section introduces the methods that keep our tools and workspaces safe, reducing infection risks and maintaining professional standards throughout every service. It's important to distinguish between cleaning, sanitizing, and sterilizing. Cleaning removes visible dirt and debris but doesn't kill germs. Sanitizing reduces microorganisms to safe levels but doesn't eliminate all of them. Sterilizing destroys all microbes, including spores, and is necessary for tools that penetrate skin or contact sterile areas. Each step increases safety and infection control, so knowing when and how to apply them is essential. Disinfecting tools and workstations involves a clear, step-by-step process. First, pre-clean tools with soap and water to remove debris. Then, immerse them in an EPA-approved disinfectant for the recommended time. After drying, store tools in a clean area. Workstations should be wiped with hospital-grade disinfectants between clients, and single-use materials must be discarded after every session. Following these steps rigorously protects everyone involved. Before improvements, salons experienced a 12% contamination rate, which is significant. This statistic highlights the impact of proper training, checklists, and audits. Implementing these measures dramatically improves compliance with hygiene protocols and reduces health risks, underscoring the importance of ongoing education and quality control. Client care depends heavily on health and safety protocols. This section guides us through essential measures to protect clients during acrylic nail services, ensuring their well-being and confidence in the process. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is crucial for minimizing exposure to chemicals and airborne particles. Gloves, masks, and eye protection shield both technicians and clients. Consistent PPE use lowers occupational hazards like dermatitis and respiratory issues common among nail professionals. Establishing clear PPE protocols not only enhances safety, but also builds a trustworthy, hygienic salon environment. Consultation and allergy awareness are key to safe client care. Asking clients about past reactions, medications, and skin conditions helps tailor treatments. Performing patch tests identifies sensitivities before full application. Managing allergies involves using hypoallergenic products, keeping detailed records, and updating protocols as needed. Transparent communication here fosters trust and ensures clients feel safe and informed. Emergency procedures and maintaining a safe environment are vital. Protocols cover chemical spills, allergic reactions, injury management, and keeping workspaces clear. For spills, isolating the area and following safety datasheet instructions is critical. Allergic reactions require stopping service and providing first aid. Injury management includes documentation and sanitation. Regular staff training and safety equipment checks ensure readiness for any situation. To conclude, mastering tools, products, and safety is essential for professional acrylic nail services. Confident use of files, brushes, and drills leads to precise application. Selecting the right monomers, powders, and primers ensures durability and quality. Strict sanitization, PPE use, and ventilation protect health. With these standards and techniques in place, you're fully prepared to deliver safe, premium nail services every time. Welcome to Module 3, where we'll focus on preparing nails for acrylic application. This module is all about clean, safe, and professional techniques that set the foundation for beautiful, lasting acrylic nails. Let's get started by understanding why proper preparation is key to success. In this module, we'll cover everything from cleaning and shaping natural nails to managing cuticles effectively. We'll also explore how to professionally remove old polish and debris, and finally, how to prepare the nail surface for acrylics. Each step is crucial for durable, healthy results. Let's begin with cleaning and shaping natural nails. This step ensures the nail is ready to accept acrylics by creating a smooth, clean base. Proper shaping not only supports the acrylic but also enhances the overall look and feel for the client. Proper nail cleaning means more than just washing hands. We start by sanitizing both hands and tools to prevent contamination. Then, removing dirt and oils thoroughly is essential because these can interfere with acrylic adhesion. Cleaning under the free edge reduces bacteria and fungi, keeping nails healthy. Finally, applying alcohol or a dehydrator wipes away residual oils, ensuring the acrylic sticks well. Shaping nails to the desired style involves understanding different shapes like square, oval, almond, coffin, and stiletto. Each requires specific edge contours and filing techniques. Using one-direction strokes and the right file grit helps maintain nail strength. Remember, shaping affects stress points, so a well-shaped nail supports longer-lasting acrylics and happier clients. Choosing the right tools makes a big difference. Soft bristled brushes gently clean without damage, while nail files and buffers come in various grits to suit different nail types. Cuticle pushers, whether metal or plastic, help manage cuticles with less hand fatigue when ergonomic. Always sanitize reusable tools and dispose of single-use items to keep everything safe and hygienic. Next, we'll focus on effective cuticle care and management. Healthy cuticles are vital because they protect the nail bed and support acrylic adhesion. Neglecting this area can lead to problems down the line. It's important to note that about 42% of nail extension failures are linked to poor cuticle health and infection risks. This statistic highlights why managing cuticles properly isn't just cosmetic. It's essential for durable acrylic nails and client safety. When pushing back cuticles, softening them first with remover or warm water reduces resistance and prevents damage. Holding the pusher at a 30 to 45 degree angle and applying light pressure avoids microtears. Avoid cutting live cuticles. Only trim hangnails to reduce infection risk while preserving the protective barrier. Proper cuticle care supports acrylic adhesion and nail health. Recommended products include nourishing oils like vitamin E and jojoba, which keep cuticles elastic and moisturized. Using gentle tools such as silicone pushers and soft brushes minimizes irritation. Evidence shows that oils with mild antimicrobial properties help maintain hygiene and reduce infection risk, supporting healthy nails under acrylics. Now, let's talk about professionally removing old nail polish and debris. This step is critical to ensure the new acrylic adheres properly and lasts longer. Removing polish safely protects the natural nail from damage. A safe removal process starts with preparing materials gently, using non-acetone removers and lint-free cotton. Soaking the nail with press and hold technique for 10 to 15 seconds begins polish breakdown. Wrapping nails with foil and waiting 8 to 12 minutes loosens polish without scraping. Finally, sliding off the cotton removes polish safely, followed by oil application to rehydrate nails. Eliminating debris and residue from the nail surface is essential for strong acrylic bonding. Removing dead skin, oils, and polish residue prevents lifting. Using the right grit buffer, a stiff nail brush, and finishing with a chemical dehydrator ensures a clean surface. Research shows that thorough prep can extend extension wear by up to 30%. Common mistakes can undermine all this work. Overbuffing thins nails, making them weak. Rushing drying times causes poor adhesion. Leaving polish residue interferes with bonding. These errors contribute to over 40% of acrylic lifting or peeling cases. The key is gentle buffing, proper drying, and thorough cleansing to avoid these pitfalls and achieve lasting results. Next, we'll focus on preparing the nail surface specifically for acrylic application. This involves refining the nail plate to create the best possible base for the acrylic to adhere to, supporting durability and appearance. Buffing and smoothing the nail plate removes natural shine and smooths ridges, improving primer adherence. Using a 180 to 240 grit buffer balances effectiveness with nail safety. Buff lightly with controlled strokes to avoid thinning the nail, which could compromise strength. Dehydrating and priming the nail are crucial steps. Dehydration removes surface oils and moisture, enhancing acrylic adhesion. Applying primer carefully with a small brush and avoiding skin contact minimizes irritation and lifting. Studies show that using both steps sequentially can boost extension retention by up to 50%, making this process vital. Assessing nail readiness means confirming the surface is dry, smooth, and free of oils, debris, or residue. Gently refining ridges and removing shine uniformly supports adhesion without over-thinning. Pay special attention to sidewalls and cuticle areas where oils or dust often hide. Using tools like moisture meters or tactile checks helps validate prep steps and ensures consistent, long-lasting results. To conclude, mastering nail preparation is the foundation for lasting acrylic extensions. Cleaning, shaping, and refining the nail plate create a reliable base. Meticulous surface prep strengthens adhesion and prevents lifting. Gentle cuticle care and safe polish removal protect natural nails over time. Consistent preparation elevates professional outcomes, efficiency, and client satisfaction, making it a critical skill for success. Welcome to Module 4, where we'll dive into the essentials of acrylic nail application. This session is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding, from the basics to advanced techniques, helping you build strong and beautiful acrylic extensions with confidence. Let's start by outlining what we'll cover today. We'll explore the fundamentals of mixing acrylic powders and liquids, which is crucial for a smooth application. Then, we'll move on to mastering sculpting techniques using both tips and forms. After that, we'll discuss layering and shaping acrylic to ensure durable results. Finally, we'll address common mistakes and how to avoid or correct them for professional quality nails. To begin, it's important to grasp the fundamentals of mixing acrylic powders and liquids. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows, so understanding it well is key to successful nail application. Acrylic products work through a chemical process involving two main parts: a liquid monomer, mainly ethyl methacrylate, and a powder polymer made of PMMA beads. When mixed, the monomer surrounds the powder particles, creating a durable yet flexible acrylic layer. It's important to be aware of volatile organic compounds, especially since some like MMA are restricted for safety. The right mix ratio and curing conditions directly affect the strength and setting time of your acrylic nails. Getting the mixing ratio right is essential. A good starting point is about 1 part liquid monomer to 2 parts powder polymer. This balance helps form smooth beads that cure well and create a strong finish. However, environmental factors like humidity and temperature can affect this ratio, so adjustments might be needed. Too much liquid leads to soft, lifting nails, while too much powder causes dry, crumbly beads. Keeping your technique consistent ensures predictable, high-quality results every time. Sometimes mixing acrylics doesn't go as planned. Common issues include powder sticking to the brush due to contamination, or the mixture drying too quickly or slowly because of humidity or incorrect ratios. Lack of adhesion often stems from poor nail prep, and weak structure usually means the powder-to-liquid ratio is off. By recognizing these problems early, you can adjust your technique or environment to get back on track. Now, let's focus on sculpting techniques using tips and forms. Mastering these methods allows you to create customized nail shapes and lengths that suit your client's needs and preferences. Choosing the right nail tips and forms is foundational to good results. Tips should match the natural nail's material, curvature, length, and width for comfort and durability. Forms come in paper or reusable metal or plastic options, depending on your service. Proper preparation, like sanitizing, sizing slightly smaller than the natural nail, and light buffing, helps prevent lifting and improves the overall finish. Applying tips versus forms involves different steps and benefits. Tips are pre-shaped plastic pieces glued onto the nail, then shaped and overlaid with acrylic, making them quicker and more uniform. Great for beginners or fast services. Forms, placed under the natural nail, let you sculpt acrylic directly, offering more creative freedom and reducing damage risks. Both methods have their place depending on the desired outcome. Creating natural-looking extensions is all about blending and balance. Feathering the acrylic into the natural nail plate eliminates visible seams, while choosing nail shapes that suit finger proportions enhances realism. Using powders that mimic natural tones and layering clear and pink acrylics adds depth and shine. Subtle precision in sculpting not only looks better, but also drives client satisfaction and loyalty. To ensure your acrylic nails are durable, layering and shaping are critical. Applying acrylic in strategic layers builds strength without adding bulk, while shaping maintains the nail's integrity. This approach helps nails withstand everyday wear and tear, keeping them looking polished longer. Smooth layering and blending require applying thin coats to build strength gradually. Blending edges cleanly prevents ridges and lifting, and feathering polymer edges with a damp brush creates a seamless finish. Refining the surface texture to microscopic smoothness reduces bacteria buildup and extends wear, contributing to healthier, longer-lasting nails. Building structure and strength means focusing on key nail areas. The apex acts as a reinforcement zone with thicker acrylic to resist bending. The free edge needs careful layering to prevent cracks. Sidewalls require even coverage to avoid splitting, and near the cuticle, thin application ensures comfort and minimizes lifting. Each area plays a vital role in overall durability. Shaping and filing contribute greatly to aesthetic appeal and nail health. Common shapes like square, oval, almond, and stiletto balance client preference with durability. Using a sequential grit workflow, moving from coarse to fine files, smooths the surface without weakening the acrylic. Maintaining proper filing angles preserves sidewall strength, reducing the risk of splitting. Clients value both beauty and durability equally. Avoiding and correcting mistakes during application is crucial for professional results. Being aware of common errors helps you maintain quality and client satisfaction. This module will guide you through identifying issues and applying fixes effectively to keep your work consistent and polished. Typical errors often stem from mix ratio mistakes, leading to weak or brittle acrylics. Applying acrylic too thick or thin affects both durability and appearance. Air bubbles trapped during application cause lifting and failure, usually from improper brush handling. Poor blending at the cuticle creates visible lines and lifting. Recognizing these errors helps you improve technique and outcomes. Fixing imperfections involves targeted solutions. To resolve lifting, lightly buff the edge, clean thoroughly, and reapply acrylic with correct ratios for a smooth transition. Eliminating air bubbles requires forming controlled beads and steady pressure during application. Refining the surface finish through progressive filing and buffing, combined with good client aftercare, enhances retention and reduces product waste. Prevention and quality assurance are key to consistent success. Thorough nail preparation and tool sanitation reduce errors and ensure safety. Managing the salon environment and monitoring product shelf life maintain quality. Adhering to technique guidelines and ongoing training improve consistency. Implementing QA protocols can increase repeat customers by 25% and boost satisfaction rates significantly. In conclusion, mastering acrylic nails requires a solid foundation in chemistry, precise mixing, and skilled sculpting. Understanding layering and shaping ensures durability, while recognizing and correcting mistakes maintains quality. By applying best practices consistently, you'll deliver polished, reliable, and beautiful results that set you apart professionally. Welcome to this module on mastering acrylic nail shaping and finishing techniques. We'll explore precise methods to enhance your skills, focusing on the details that make nail extensions look professional and polished. This journey will help you understand the art and science behind perfect acrylic nails. Let's take a look at the key areas we'll cover today. We'll start with filing and buffing techniques, essential for shaping acrylic nails effectively. Then, we'll explore how to create different artistic nail shapes. After that, we'll focus on perfecting smooth surfaces and edges, followed by the professional use of top coats and finishing products to complete the look. Now, let's dive into filing and buffing, which are foundational skills for acrylic nails. These techniques help shape the nail and prepare the surface for a flawless finish. Understanding the right approach here sets the stage for all the detailed work that follows. Choosing the right files and buffers is crucial. Coarse grit is great for reducing bulk and shaping thickness early on, while medium grit refines the shape and smooths edges. Fine grit polishes surfaces gently without causing damage. Matching the grit to each stage ensures durability and comfort, and careful selection helps prevent over-filing that could weaken the acrylic. Proper filing is all about technique. Starting with coarse grit, it's important to file in one direction to avoid lifting or splitting. Consistent, gentle strokes reduce stress on the acrylic. Positioning your hand and the client's hand correctly gives you control and comfort. As you progress, switch to finer grits to smooth and refine, maintaining the right angle for even pressure and uniform thickness. Buffing complements filing by smoothing imperfections and enhancing adhesion for top coats. Starting with medium grit levels out bumps, then fine grit polishes for a glossy finish. Avoiding overbuffing is key to prevent thinning the acrylic. Modern electric buffers with adjustable speeds can help achieve consistent results with less effort. Next, we'll explore how to create different nail shapes. This is where creativity meets precision, allowing you to tailor the look to client preferences and current trends. Understanding the defining features of each shape helps in achieving symmetry and style. Let's focus on square and oval shapes. Square nails require filing straight sidewalls and a flat tip with steady pressure to keep edges crisp and symmetrical. Oval nails need blending of sidewalls into a rounded tip with curved strokes, which elongates the nail and creates a smooth, even arc. Mastering these shapes provides a strong foundation for more complex designs. Coffin or ballerina nails have a distinctive tapered side with a squared tip, resembling their namesake shapes. Precision in filing both sides evenly is essential for sharp edges and symmetry. These nails work best when worn longer, offering ample space for art but requiring care due to their fragility. Their dramatic, edgy appeal is increasingly popular among clients. Stiletto nails are all about sharp tapering to a crisp point. Maintaining consistent lateral filing angles is critical to keep symmetry and length. Because of their shape, reinforcing stress areas with high-strength acrylic blends helps prevent breakage. Using stronger blends extends wear, making these nails both striking and durable. Perfecting smooth surfaces and edges is the next step after shaping. This ensures the nails feel comfortable and look flawless, which greatly impacts client satisfaction. Smoothness also prepares the nail for finishing products, enhancing overall durability and shine. Smoothing acrylic imperfections involves a careful process. Start with visual inspection under magnification to spot bumps or ridges. Use medium grit files gently to level these without weakening the nail. Then, progress through finer buffers to minimize scratches while maintaining strength. Keeping the area dust-free with extraction or wipes helps precision and comfort. Finally, reassess to confirm a flawless surface before finishing. Achieving consistent and even nail edges depends on measured filing strokes and frequent checks of width and thickness. Using gauges and templates improves alignment and repeatability across nails. Inconsistent edges can lead to premature chipping, so steady hand control and angle consistency are vital skills for lasting results. Maintaining nail structure requires following best practices and avoiding common mistakes. Applying products correctly and reinforcing stress points helps durability. Using quality acrylics and primers, balanced moisture, and educating clients on aftercare are essential. Avoid overfiling, low-quality materials, harsh chemicals, and mechanical trauma to protect nail integrity and client satisfaction. Now, let's turn to top coats and finishing products, which complete the acrylic nail process. These products not only add shine or style, but also protect the nail and extend the life of the manicure. Understanding the options available allows you to tailor finishes to client needs and preferences. Choosing the right top coat depends on the desired finish and client sensitivities. Glossy top coats provide a classic high-shine look with durable gel formulas. Matte top coats offer a modern, flat finish for a unique style. Hybrid top coats combine durability with quick drying, gaining popularity for convenience. Hypoallergenic options minimize allergic reactions, ideal for sensitive clients. Applying a high-gloss finish involves careful steps. Begin by cleaning and dehydrating the nail to remove oils and debris, ensuring better adhesion. Apply thin, even coats with steady brush strokes, capping the free edge and avoiding bubbles. Proper curing under LED or UV lamps locks in the shine and prevents wrinkling. Attention to these details results in a durable, flawless finish. Finishing products play a key role in nail health and longevity. Oils, cuticle creams, and sealants moisturize, seal edges, and prevent lifting. Regular use reduces brittleness and helps maintain gloss. Advanced formulas with UV filters and anti-yellowing agents protect clarity and color. Educating clients to apply these daily boosts where time and satisfaction. To conclude, this module has equipped you with essential skills in filing, shaping, smoothing, and finishing acrylic nails. With proper techniques and thoughtful product choices, you can create stunning, durable nail art. Remember, attention to detail and consistent practice are the keys to delivering professional quality results every time. Welcome! Today, we're diving into Module 6, Nail Art and Design Techniques as part of your Diploma in Acrylic Nail Extensions. We'll explore tools, materials, and creative methods to elevate your nail art skills and bring stunning designs to life. Let's take a look at what we'll cover today. We'll start with essential nail art tools and materials, then explore techniques like painting, stamping, and 3D embellishments. After that, we'll discuss how to creatively use glitter, rhinestones, and decals. Finally, we'll explore trending designs and seasonal inspirations to keep your work fresh and exciting. To begin, it's important to understand the essential nail art tools and materials. These form the foundation of everything we'll build on, so knowing what you need and how to use it sets you up for success in your designs. When it comes to basic nail art tools, precision is key. Fine detail brushes and dotting tools help create crisp lines and intricate accents. Preparing the nail surface with files and cuticle pushers ensures a smooth canvas. Plus, ergonomic tools improve efficiency and reduce fatigue. And of course, hygiene and safety are non-negotiable to keep clients healthy. Brushes and applicators come in various types, each suited for specific roles. Liner brushes help with fine details, flat brushes with shading, and fan brushes with color application. Choosing between synthetic and natural bristles depends on the technique and product used. Applicators like sponges and wooden sticks add textures and effects. Remember, caring for your tools with prompt cleaning and proper storage keeps them performing well. Materials vary widely, from acrylic paints that dry fast and are great for detail, to gel polishes offering a durable, glossy finish after curing. Metallic foils add reflective drama when paired with transfer gel. Adhesives need to strike a balance, strong enough to hold decorations but gentle for easy removal. Picking the right materials depends on the look you want and your client's preferences. Now, let's explore techniques for painting, stamping, and adding 3D embellishments. These methods allow you to create diverse and eye-catching designs, each with its own set of skills and tools to master. Freehand painting is a fantastic way to achieve detailed designs. Start with a smooth base coat to protect nails and ensure color vibrancy. Lightly sketch your design with a fine brush or dotting tool, then build depth by layering colors carefully. Add intricate details and clean edges for polish, then finish with a top coat to seal and protect your work. Creating 3D nail embellishments adds a whole new dimension to your art. Using acrylics or gels, you can sculpt forms and add beads, gems, or charms for impact. Securing these elements properly with primers and sealed edges prevents lifting and keeps designs wearable. Interestingly, demand for 3D art is growing rapidly, showing how popular this trend is becoming. Let's talk about incorporating glitter, rhinestones, and decals creatively. These elements can transform a design, adding sparkle, texture, and intricate motifs that catch the eye. Glitter application offers versatile effects, from ombre fades and smooth gradients to full coverage sparkle finishes. You can use loose glitter, gel-based polishes, or encapsulated acrylic designs. Playing with particle sizes and colors lets you dial in the perfect impact. Plus, vibrant glitter looks tend to boost client retention by offering unique, customized styles. Rhinestone placement can dramatically change a design's vibe. Clustering stones creates bold, high-impact looks but needs extra securing to avoid snagging. Linear arrangements offer elegance and versatility, but require precise spacing. Choosing between resin adhesive for durability or gel glue for easier removal depends on client needs and design longevity. Decals are a fantastic tool for quick, intricate designs that might be tricky to freehand. Water slide, peel off, and adhesive decals expand your creative options while keeping services efficient. The application involves prepping the nail, placing the decal, smoothing it out, and sealing with a top coat. This method is gaining popularity as it balances speed with detailed style. Trending designs and seasonal inspirations keep your work fresh and relevant. Staying aware of what's popular helps you offer clients styles that resonate and feel current throughout the year. Current trends include minimalist lines and negative space, creating clean, modern looks. Pastel gradients offer soft, polished finishes. Mixing textures like matte and gloss or adding subtle metallic accents adds depth. Micro French tips modernize classics with ultrafine edges, while soft geometric accents bring personality without overwhelming. Seasonal themes guide color and motif choices. Spring favors soft florals and pastels. Summer shines with bright hues and tropical patterns. Autumn brings warm tones and leaf designs, while winter features cool metallics and festive sparkle. Aligning your designs with these themes can boost appeal during different times of the year. Adapting popular designs for clients means customizing colors, embellishments, and intensity to fit their lifestyle and taste. A thorough consultation helps uncover preferences and maintenance comfort, guiding design adjustments. Using sample tips and digital previews allows clients to see options before committing, building confidence, and streamlining decisions. This personalized approach enhances satisfaction and encourages repeat visits. To wrap up, mastering nail art for acrylic extensions means confidently selecting tools and materials, applying advanced techniques like painting and 3D embellishments, and tailoring designs to trends and client preferences. Regular practice and staying inspired are key to excelling and creating stunning, lasting nail art. Welcome to our session on acrylic extensions, focusing on maintenance and removal. This part of the course is crucial because proper care techniques not only preserve the quality of acrylic nails, but also ensure safe removal. We'll explore practical methods that protect both the nail and client comfort throughout the process. Let's look at what we'll cover today. We'll start by discussing how to schedule client appointments effectively and manage refills. Then, we'll dive into maintenance techniques that keep acrylic nails strong and beautiful. After that, we'll explore safe removal methods, followed by troubleshooting common issues like lifting and damage. Scheduling appointments and refills is foundational. Setting consistent times helps clients maintain their nails in optimal condition. This also supports your workflow and client satisfaction. It's important to understand the timing that works best for different clients and nail growth rates. When it comes to scheduling and communication, maintaining smart buffers between appointments can really help keep things running smoothly. Automated reminders via SMS or email reduce no-shows significantly, sometimes by up to 30%. Personalizing follow-ups with care tips and rebooking invitations builds strong client relationships and encourages loyalty. Refill intervals vary depending on several factors. A 2-week interval suits clients with fast nail growth or high activity, minimizing lifting risks. A 3-week interval balances fewer visits with maintenance for moderate growth. Seasonal changes also matter. Winter dryness may require shorter intervals, while summer can allow longer gaps. Plus, lifestyle factors like frequent hand use or chemical exposure can affect timing. Managing client records is key to keeping track of appointments and nail health. Manual records can be cumbersome and prone to errors. Digital CRM tools offer centralized access to client history and automate updates, improving personalization. Automated reminders help reduce no-shows by up to 25%. Always ensure data privacy with secure storage and compliance measures. Now, let's focus on techniques for maintaining acrylic nails. Proper care extends the life of the enhancement and keeps nails looking great. We'll explore daily client routines and professional salon procedures that make a real difference. Daily care is essential for clients. Regularly moisturizing cuticles with oil keeps them flexible and prevents cracking. Limiting water exposure by wearing gloves during chores reduces lifting risks. Also, gentle hygiene practices avoid damage. Clients should avoid harsh tools or scrubbing that can weaken the acrylic. In the salon, maintenance involves several steps. Buffing smooths and shines the acrylic surface, prepping it for oil and sealant. Oiling nourishes the nail and surrounding skin, maintaining flexibility. Sealing with a protective top coat extends wear and prevents dullness or lifting. Scheduling maintenance every 2 to 3 weeks with professional products is vital for lasting results. Preventing issues like lifting and discoloration starts with effective sanitization and precise application. However, improper nail prep and lack of client education cause up to half of lifting problems. Introducing UV protection polish and allowing breathability periods can reduce discoloration. On the flip side, exposure to harsh chemicals and inconsistent aftercare increase these risks. Safe and efficient removal of acrylic nails is just as important as application and maintenance. Using gentle, professional methods protects the natural nail and ensures client comfort. We'll go through the essential steps to remove acrylics properly without causing damage. The removal process follows clear steps. First, file the top layer to break the seal, allowing acetone to penetrate. Then, soak the nails wrapped with acetone-soaked cotton and foil for 15 to 30 minutes. Next, gently lift softened acrylic with a cuticle pusher, avoiding force. After that, buff lightly to remove residue and cleanse. Finally, hydrate and protect nails with oil or moisturizer to restore health. Having the right tools is critical for safe removal. Pure acetone, foil wraps, cuticle pushers, and nail buffers form the core essentials. Maintaining hygiene by sanitizing tools between clients reduces infection risk. There are also acetone-free removers that are gentler but need longer application times. Using proper tools and techniques improves efficiency and client comfort. After removal, nail care focuses on restoring strength. Applying cuticle oil and ceramide-rich hand cream 2 to 3 times daily replenishes moisture and reduces peeling. Massaging oil into the nail plate supports flexibility and prevents microsplitting. Using nail-strengthening serums every other day reinforces the keratin matrix. Keeping nails short and rounded, plus wearing gloves during cleaning, protects against damage. Allowing a 2-week break from enhancements promotes natural repair, with nails regaining most strength with consistent care. Troubleshooting lifting, cracking, or damage requires understanding the causes. Knowing what triggers these issues helps us address them effectively. We'll explore common problems and how to fix them to maintain nail health and client satisfaction. Lifting and cracking stem from both internal and external causes. Internally, improper nail prep, insufficient dehydration, and poor cuticle removal are major factors. Externally, frequent water exposure, harsh chemicals, and mechanical trauma from daily activities contribute significantly. These issues lead to immediate problems like lifting and reduced enhancement longevity, and over time can cause repeated damage and higher maintenance costs. Repair techniques focus on precision. Buffing lifted edges smooths and seals them, preventing further separation. Filling cracks with acrylic restores structure and appearance. When needed, reinforcing weak points with wraps or gels prevents breakage. Proper training in these methods correlates with a significant reduction, about 35% in repeat damage, highlighting the value of skilled correction. Educating clients on prevention and aftercare is vital. Advising them to avoid stressful activities that strain nails helps prevent damage. Encouraging daily moisturizing and timely refills extends wear and health. Surveys show that clear aftercare guidance boosts satisfaction and nail longevity. Providing printed or digital instructions makes routines easy to follow and improves compliance. To conclude, mastering maintenance involves several key areas. Setting consistent refill schedules helps prevent lifting. Refining preparation, sealing, and aftercare techniques preserves the finish and strength of acrylics. Using gentle removal methods and addressing issues promptly protects nail health. Finally, clear communication and ongoing education empower clients and enhance results and satisfaction. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into client management specifically for acrylic nails. This module focuses on professional development, client care, and how you can grow your career in this exciting field. We'll explore key strategies to build trust, market your services, and advance your expertise. Let's get started on mastering these essential skills that will set you apart. To give you a roadmap, we'll start by looking at how to conduct effective client consultations and build trust. Then, we'll shift to pricing strategies, marketing, and promoting your nail services. After that, we'll explore how to build a professional portfolio, and finally discuss career pathways and continuing education opportunities in nail technology. This agenda will guide our journey together. Let's begin by focusing on client consultation and building trust. This is the foundation for lasting client relationships and successful service delivery. Effective client consultations are crucial because about 70% of clients value thorough discussions that align services with their goals and nail health. The key is to assess nail health carefully, understand style preferences, and review any prior treatments or sensitivities. Using open-ended questions and active listening helps clarify expectations and prevents mismatches. This clear communication not only boosts satisfaction, but also ensures safe, personalized results. Understanding client needs means identifying lifestyle factors, durability preferences, and aesthetic goals. When clients feel heard, they're 60% more likely to return. Mapping these needs to service strategies lets you recommend long-lasting products and tailor designs precisely. Documenting these choices during consultations ensures consistency in future visits, building trust and satisfaction over time. Building rapport is about more than just the service. A warm greeting and attentive listening set the tone for trust. Personalized communication shows clients you genuinely care by remembering their preferences. Delivering consistent quality during appointments keeps them coming back. Following up with thank you messages and offering loyalty programs encourages repeat visits. Over time, this ongoing connection increases client lifetime value and advocacy. Now, let's move on to pricing, marketing, and promoting your nail services. These are key areas that help you sustain and grow your business effectively. Setting competitive pricing is about balancing costs and value. Cost-based pricing ensures you cover materials and labor, appealing to budget-conscious clients. Pricing slightly above average quality benchmarks signals premium service and can boost revenue by 15 to 20%. Offering tiered pricing options reaches a wider client base, from basic to luxury. Analyzing competitors lets you position your prices strategically for market advantage. Marketing your nail services effectively combines local targeting, referrals, and branded experiences. Running geofenced ads and personalized social content attracts nearby clients efficiently. Referral programs with dual incentives and partnerships with local boutiques accelerate client acquisition by up to 30%. Maintaining consistent branding across booking, service, and follow-up strengthens recall and builds trust. Social media and promotions are powerful tools to attract clients. Consistently showcasing your portfolio with short videos of transformations and trending designs keeps you visible and engages your audience. Geo-targeted ads on platforms like Instagram and TikTok promote new client offers, increasing bookings by up to 40%. Flash and seasonal promotions create urgency and attract price-sensitive clients, smoothing out demand. Next, we'll focus on building a professional portfolio. This is essential for showcasing your skills and attracting new opportunities. Documenting and photographing your nail work is key to a strong portfolio. Proper lighting, angles, and a clean background elevate the quality and creativity of your images. Professional portfolios see about 50% more client interest. Regularly tracking your progress highlights your skill growth and keeps your portfolio fresh and relevant. Pairing photos with concise tips makes your portfolio clear and actionable. Creating both physical and digital portfolios broadens your reach. Physical portfolios offer tactile samples that shine in interviews and consultations, showcasing your craft and materials. Digital portfolios, accessible on mobile devices, expand visibility and can boost opportunities by up to 35%. Combining both formats maximizes your professional presence. It's important to note that 65% of employers prefer candidates with high-quality portfolios. This statistic highlights how a well-prepared portfolio can open doors and elevate your career prospects. Let's explore career pathways and continuing education in nail technology. These elements are vital for long-term success and growth in the industry. There are several career options within the nail industry. Salon technicians provide essential nail care services like manicures and enhancements. Nail artists specialize in creative designs and trends, often working with editorial projects. Educators train aspiring professionals through workshops and courses, passing on their expertise. Each path offers unique opportunities to develop and excel. Ongoing learning and certification are crucial for staying current and competitive. Continuing education ensures compliance with health and safety standards, reducing risks and maintaining consistent quality. Advanced certifications signal commitment to excellence and often lead to higher earnings, up to 20% more. They also build client trust by demonstrating professional growth and safety awareness. Networking and joining professional organizations enhance your career growth. Joining relevant associations connects you with peers and mentors. Attending events and trade shows provides opportunities to meet suppliers and build relationships. Contributing to forums and volunteering keeps you visible and engaged. Active members report 30% greater career advancement thanks to these connections. To wrap up, mastering client consultations helps you deliver tailored services that meet goals and nail health. Pricing with purpose aligns your value and costs to support growth. Marketing and showcasing your work through consistent branding and a strong portfolio attract clients. Finally, pursuing education and building connections ensures lasting success and meaningful relationships in your nail career.